Lots of fun, lots of new things, lots of new ideas, lots of new people. Happy.
Playing in the mud feels like I'm back to my childhood.
Yeah.
It's fun and it's cool.
So Garden of Hope is all about bringing hope to the cancer patients. Basically, the entire concept is that many of the cancer patients, after they go through the gruesome treatment, it's very difficult for them to move on. They keep on thinking about it. So we came up with this thought that why don't we give them some other ways of keeping their minds off. And this garden idea came up, and it becomes their own little baby where they're going to take care of it, see the produce, and it makes them really happy seeing the hard labor and the things that they're putting into it. So that's basically what Garden of Hope is all about. Today we're here with Miss Goshia. You can see her, sitting at that side where she never even used to get out of the house, and now we have inspired her to come up all the way and to be a part of this. And she has promised us that every day she's going to water it and do a lot of things in such a way that the garden grows up. So waiting for that moment to see the garden in full swing.